Lee Berger, a paleoanthropologist associated with Wits University in South Africa, discovered these fossils in deep inside a cave called Rising Star Cave in October 2013. This was a group of cavers who had gone deep into this cave and discovered bones down in the dirt at the bottom of this very deep cave, and they brought them to the attention of Dr. Berger. It's incredibly exciting because of the sheer number of specimens, there's a lot we're able to say about the biology of this very primitive member of our genus Homo. And that in itself is very exciting as a scientist to have so much material to work with. We've traveled to Wits University in Johannesburg, South Africa to study the collection, as well as using virtual models, using modern medical imaging techniques to generate computer models of the bones that then we can study back here at CU Denver. This is a new species based on a suite of characteristics. Its features, a unique combination of features that differentiates it from any of the several other species of our own genus that are known, as well as from earlier or more primitive types of human relatives. The hand is especially interesting because it tells us about a number of different aspects of this species' behavior. So there are features that are associated with manipulation of objects. For example, it has a very stout and powerful thumb in the way that modern humans do. The wrist is adapted also for the types of movements and the distribution of the forces for manipulating things. But the fingers themselves are quite curved. And this is more like a primate, like a chimpanzee, say, that spends a lot of time climbing in the trees, suggesting that this hand played a sort of dual role for this species in terms of both manipulation and also getting around in the trees, perhaps. This falls within our own genus Homo, so it's more closely related to us than to some of these more primitive things, but it's itself a very primitive member of that particular group. I think this team and this particular discovery is something that will be discussed for decades and is certainly going to inform us a lot about what early human ancestry was like.